The star of today's video is dun 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 Miss Maxima Tall. See how pretty the bloom? Finally it bloomed and it's so pretty. See how big the bloom is? Let's see if I can see it. It's as big as my hand. So this is that's the name. My Cattleya Maxima Tall. And look how pretty that bloom is. So, it's so pretty. I've been watching this all day yesterday. It bloomed yesterday. If you see that. Oh, it's so pretty. See how pretty that is. You see the leaf, how pretty the leaf is. It's so pretty. So, that's her. She is our star of today's video. So, I hope you enjoy my update for this time. And I think I'm going to end my video today. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you